How to check iPhone charging cycles. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to check iPhone charging cycles. For this video, we first need to add a shortcut on our iPhone and I'll be sharing that on the description below. So this is the battery cycle count and health version 2 shortcut. So all you have to do once you tap on the link on the description below, just tap on get shortcut and once this page is up, all you have to do is tap on the Add Shortcut button at the bottom of the page, and you should see it under All Shortcuts. Now, before we can use this shortcut to look for our iPhone charging cycle count, we have to first change one information in it. So make sure to tap on the three dot icon at the right top corner of this shortcut. Scroll down and tap on design capacity. The design capacity of your iPhone depends on the model. So I am currently using iPhone 11. So for this, we will be using the design capacity 3110. So let's change it to 3110. And for you, please make sure to check this chart and change the design capacity accordingly. Once done, tap Done at the right top corner. And after that, you have to go to the settings. So let's exit shortcuts first and let's go to settings. From the settings, you have to scroll down and go to privacy. So let's go find privacy and security. There you go. Now, under privacy and security, we have to go to analytics and improvements. Under analytics and improvements, you should tap on analytics data and look for the most recent one. So we have the May 14, 2023 analytics. Just tap on this. And if you can see the save button at the right top corner of this screen, tap on that and scroll down on this pop-up and just tap on the shortcut battery cycle count and health version 2 and just wait for it to load. So you should see this exact same thing I have here, but again, the cycle count and some of the information here, of course, depends on your iPhone's current status. So as for me, the cycle count is still 0, and 0 cycle count is pretty normal for new devices, new iPhones. So if you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.